little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super sweet and fun, a cute lollipop. Are you ready to get started? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker, and let's begin. We'll start by drawing a big circle. This will be the yummy part of our lollipop. Great! Now, let's add the handle. We're going to draw a wavy line across the middle of the circle. Let's decorate the top part of the lollipop. And now, let's add a cute face to the bottom part. Draw two big, cute eyes and a little smiling mouth underneath. Look how adorable our lollipop is. But wait, we can make it even cuter. Let's draw some tiny heart shapes around our lollipop. Hearts everywhere, because this lollipop is full of love. Our drawing looks super cute, but let's go over all the lines again to make them bold and sharp. This will make our artwork really pop. Look how nicely our cute lollipop is dancing.
Yay!
But now it's time for the best part, coloring. Let's start coloring. Let's start coloring. First, we'll use yellow color.
Wow!
Now, let's add rose red color for the bottom part to make it super sweet.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Next, let's color the top part with blue color.
Yay!
This will make our lollipop look even more fun. And finally, we'll use red color for the hearts around the lollipop to spread lots of love.
La 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 la.
Wow! Look at our colorful and adorable cute lollipop. You did such an amazing job today. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me. Don't forget to keep practicing and share your sweet artwork with your friends and family.
Yay!
And remember to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.